Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 14 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you will want to navigate into Control Center in the settings, because by default you'll not have the toggle in here and we need it. So let's open up settings and just select Control Center. And somewhere in here, you'll locate a screen recording. So for me, it's right over here. Press on the plus button next to it. This will get added to your control center, which I can see it right here. So once you have it added, simply press on it. It starts a countdown. And as you can see, it's already recording. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. If you open some apps, they will be recorded. Minus things like Netflix or Hulu, obviously they are blocked. And once you're done recording, you can just simply find the toggle once more, tap on it, and that's it. It gets automatically saved to your gallery application, or well, photos in this case. Now, going back to the thing that I mentioned about blocked applications, there are some applications that will not allow screen recordings, at least that's how they work on Android, and I assume it's the same thing here. And for Android, those applications are basically any streaming applications like I said, Netflix, but also apps like bank accounts or bank apps do block screen recordings for obvious reasons. So if you encounter at one point that your screen recording just recorded a black screen, that's probably because whatever app you're trying to record blocks it. Anyway, now going to the photos, you can find your screen recording. So there we go. It's already playing. So there we go, that's the screen recording. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.